This year, we see the Mana digital money turning into a top gainer a large number of weeks. There is nothing unexpected. All things considered, Decentraland is one of the stars of the play-to-procure pattern, which became famous in 2021 on the cryptographic money market. How is the undertaking growing now? And what might we at any point anticipate from the cost of the in-game Mana token? How about we sort it out? Decentraland is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain. The undertaking was laid out by the Decentraland establishment back in 2015. Thus, you can see that this game has been available for quite a while. The group held an ICO in 2017 and effectively raised around 90,000 ETH. Notwithstanding, the augmented experience stage was open to the public simply in 2020. Decentraland clients can trade land things while partaking in the game and communication. It resembles an internet game. In any case, it centers around friendly and financial associations among clients and not on the ongoing interaction itself. Clients convey, go to addresses, open stores, and investigate the world and new articles in it. Doesn't it help you to remember anything? This is Minecraft of a decentralized world. All land in Decentraland is partitioned into 90,000 packages called bundles. The underlying size of one bundle was 10 by 10 meters of in-game space. In February 2019, the local area directed a vote. Just later, the size of each package was expanded to 16 by 16 meters. Each package is an ERC 721 token, LAN. Other than bundles, there are streets and courts in the realm of Decentraland. Clients can't get it in light of the fact that no one but designers can make objects on them. Streets are required for clients to explore the virtual world. The courts are points of fascination for clients, recreational areas and data zones. The nearer the land is to the streets and squares, the more costly it is. The region around Focal Square is the most costly, very much like the Focal Park property in New York. The universe of Decentraland has topical zones called locale. For instance, there are shops on Style Road and auditoriums in Decentraland College. Every region is possessed and overseen by a nearby local area. Tragically, the land in such regions is at this point not accessible for procurement. In 5 years, Mana's cost can bend over to $10. Contingent upon the GameFi ubiquity, the statements might in fact significantly increase. In the event that this area of the crypto world is free from any potential harm toward the finish of 2026, then, at that point, putting resources into Mana might pay off. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Decentraland costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Decentraland will be 56 cents. The most extreme level that the Mana cost can reach is 68 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 58 cents. Mana value estimate for January 2023. In view of the value vacillations of Decentraland toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Mana pace of 41 cents in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 37 cents and at 42 cents individually. February 2023, Decentraland Value Gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Mana cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 40 cents, while the most extreme could reach 44 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Decentraland may be around 42 cents. Mana value figure for WAC 2023. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value vacillations of Decentraland in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Mana rate they anticipate may be around 43 cents in WAC 2023. It can drop to 41 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 46 cents. April 2023, Decentraland Value Estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the Mana cost will be exchanged at 45 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Decentraland worth to 48 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 43 cents in April 2023. Mana value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Decentraland costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 47 cents. The most minimal and top Mana rates may be 45 cents and 50 cents. June 2023, Decentraland Value Gauge. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Mana cost will be around 49 cents. In June 2023, the Decentraland cost might drop to at least 47 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 52 cents in June 2023. Mana value figure for July 2023. Having dissected Decentraland costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Mana rate could arrive at a limit of 54 cents in July 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to 49 cents. For July 2023, The anticipated normal of Decentraland is almost 51 cents. August 2023 Decentraland value figure. Around mid-2022, the Decentraland cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 52 cents. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the mana cost could vary somewhere in the range of 50 cents and 57 cents. Mana value estimate for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Decentraland worth won't dip under at least 52 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is 59 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 54 cents. October 2023 Decentraland value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of mana costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Decentraland will be around 62 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 53 cents. In October 2023, the normal expense will be 55 cents. Mana value figure for November 2023. In light of the value variances of Decentraland toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical mana pace of 56 cents in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 54 cents and at 65 cents. Separately, December 2023 Decentraland value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the mana cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 56 cents, while the greatest could reach 68 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Decentraland may be around 58 cents. Decentraland value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Decentraland in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Decentraland will be around 88 cents. The most extreme expected mana cost might be around $1.01. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 91 cents in 2023. Decentraland value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Decentraland, in 2024, mana is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $1.31 and $1.60 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.36. Decentraland value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Decentraland and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base mana cost could drop to $1.96, while its most extreme can reach $2.34. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $2.01. Decentraland value expectation 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Decentraland by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least mana costs are normal in 2026. $3.34 and $2.78. By and large, it will be exchanged at $2.86. Decentraland value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the variances of Decentraland. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical mana cost will be around $4.08. It could drop to at least $3.94. Yet it actually could reach $4.83 all through 2027. Decentraland value forecast 2029. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of